Alright, just in the road test, messing around, short trip to get the rust off the rotors and stuff like that. And also, since it's a really hot day, we'll be testing the stalling when it's hot. It did stall after a restart. I think the choke might be a little too lean, but I'm not going to change it. Now that we're moving, the gas gauge is down to above E, which it wasn't before, so I don't know what the hell's going on with that. Okay, road test for temperature and running down the batteries. Got the refrigerator on. Run them down so we can do some testing with that. We're doing 55, and that seems to be a pretty comfortable speed. Gas gauge is sinking. Why? Gotta switch to the other tank just to be safe, I think. Temperature gauge is up there, highest I've seen in a long time. Maybe then again because it's a 95-degree day. But it ain't acting up. I'll just leave it idle for a while, see if the temperature comes down. I don't know if this is really for Lehigh Township, which we're not too far away from, but 93, I have 90, whoops, what do I got there? 92.3. What does that say? Check that later. 94 there. 96 back here. Yikes. $92 there. 94 inside the refrigerator. What the hell is wrong with that one? Wonder what the refrigerator is doing. What is this? 8 degrees. This is colder, but not that much. 58. It's gonna take a while to cool off, I guess. Why don't that work? Time out. I was looking at the wrong thermometer. This is the one for the sensor that's in the freezer, which is now at about 5 degrees. 79 is the temperature down at the water tank, which is underneath that seat. And 92 is what the air temperature is. Right there. That matches. Oh, wait a minute. The air temperature sensor for that is inside of this. That's the one for this one. And 93. Okay. Same thing. And the inside the motorhome is 94. That would be that one. Okay, good. Alright, been here, I don't know, at least 5 minutes, maybe 10. Temperature gauge went up. Still in the safe bar, so wait a while and then start it. Okay, the freezer is at 0, which is what it's supposed to be, I think. The water tank is at 80, and inside here it's 93. What did I want to do? What's the refrigerator? Well, 55-ish, I think that is. $55-ish now. Let's see, how do I increase that? I think this. We'll find out. Turn it up to mid. See if I get some coolness. It's hot out here. Just turn the freezer down to a little over mid. See how that reacts. This says 10. That says -1. So, once again, China, which is it? Okay, we made it. It's a really hot day, 92-ish, 5-ish degrees. Temperature gauge is up as high as I've ever seen it, that I can remember. Still in the bracket, but a couple of people here. Let's see what's going on at the river. Okay, it's cool down here, but not all that much cool. Let's see. A little after 2, there's 1, us, 2, 3, 4, 5 cars. A couple of people. Those people over there, I think, are vendors. They're renting out stuff. So, when the air's blowing, it feels pretty good. Other than that, it's hot. What?
I said, yep.
Okay, I'm in the water. It's not too bad, but I wouldn't want to fall. This could be a good place to fish. Do have a fishing pole, but the only problem with this place is that highway traffic over there, even at night. Okay, we've been here over a half an hour and the gauge is up where normal used to be on a 70-degree day. Today's 95. Let's see how it starts. Excellent. That's any diesel speed. This is curb idle speed. Things are looking good. Okay, let's go home. Is this on? No. Rough idle. It almost stalled there, I think because it was flooding. That ain't a good sign. See if it does it again. Yes. I guess we gotta get driving and cool things off. Temperature gauge is about the normal position. That's good. Temperature gauge creeped up there on that uphill deal. But still well within the bar, so I guess we're alright. Slowed down to about 40-ish. Temperature gauge came down. Who's coming?
Nobody.
All right, really hot here. 210. 200, 165 at the fuel pump. That's good to see. Okay, we made it back with no stalling and no drivability problems other than a very little bit. So I think all things considered, I need to avoid hot days. How am I going to do that? Okay. I don't think it's going to cool off anymore, so might as well just turn it off. Hope for the best. $23-mile trip. What do we got here for the rear tank now that we're sitting? I'll need the engine on, turn it off. I'll check later. Fan's on. Cage is high. Fan's gonna be on for a while. Well, the rear tank does have some kind of gas in it. The gauge is not coming down. All it's doing is killing the battery. All right, turn it off. Cools down pretty quick. $50 degrees cooler, which seems to be important. Now, if I don't forget, I'll restart this in a few minutes, see what happens. Worked okay at the last stop. Ooh, carburetor's pretty hot. Oh, well, it would be, wouldn't it? Now, let's see how it restarts. Turn it on accessories first to see what the temperature is and whether or not the fan comes on. No fan. Good. Must be below. Still no fan. Started. So I guess I don't kind of worry too much about fuel boiling. Temperature's coming down now that I'm pushing some water around. Why the hell that rear gauge is so damn low? Okay, so far so good. Oh, maybe not. A little stumble there. Okay, this is usable. Alright, it's 2 weeks since I started it last. So, one pump of the gas pedal. I should have turned the key on first. Well, the choke should hold it open. Okay, see what happens. Wow. Excellent. Kick it down. This is where it could stumble, but that'll be because I have set everything to the very lean side. The air tank is still up. That's too lean, not too rich, so that's all right. I think there's more gas in that tank than what's showing. Okay, sounds pretty good. Let it warm up a while. As far as this stumbling after hot restarts and hot shutdowns and whatnot, I would like to find an additive to add to the gas as I fill a tank. But I can't come up with anything. And other research that I did says that higher octane gasoline will also raise the boiling point. So maybe I should try the next octane level up. See what the cost difference is. It's been running for what, a minute or two, still doing good. So sounds good. If anything, the gas gauge went down. Maybe there's a problem with ethanol in this sender. Alright, I don't need to run this too long. What's the next thing to do? The easiest thing to do is to try a higher octane gas. And continue looking for an additive. I guess we're stuck for now. Stuck with this. Turn it on. That was a good test.